Hi, I'm Michael Hope. I'm the brand manager of Ball and Buck. We just finished our third annual Ball and Buck expedition at Pine Hill Plantation. The weekend was filled with horse riding. Lots of birds were killed. Great food, great camaraderie, great people, and really just turned out to be a phenomenal weekend. While we're down here in Georgia, we're shooting northern bobwhite. We harvested, I think, 68 birds today. It was phenomenal seeing so many coveys rise. This hunt is really for any level of experience, whether you are hunting for your first time.
First quail?
Pick my timber.
Oh, that was so great that Kimber brought me my first quail. That was awesome.
Or if you've been in the field for many years. The majority of the hunt is done on horseback, or you ride around in a mule-drawn carriage. Today and yesterday, being on horseback for me was better than shooting any birds. Shooting birds was just a plus for me. We have a father and son here. We have guys that have been friends for years. We have a couple husband and wives who made the trip down. It's been really cool to get to know everybody, to see where different people come from. We're really making lifelong memories here. We go out and hunt, we come back, have dinner, play poker.
And make decisions, Joe.
For you guys, I'm going home. But I'll make you a bet.
Because you're my jet.
Tips.
Yeah.
Bitcoin accepted.
The flush hit, but it's a low flush.
Have some drinks, hang out, great conversation, and really just get to know each other. It's pretty special being down here.
Man, keep it to yourself.
My name is Matthew Tyler West. I came on this trip with my dad, and let me tell you how special it's been. It's been amazing. He actually came out here for my 22nd birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Cheers, buddy. Cheers.
And it's awesome to have my dad out here. I tried to get him to go on a duck hunt prior to this, and he wasn't having it. And we got, word that Ball and Buck was doing a little event here for a quail shoot, and it's just been an amazing time and amazing memories that I've been able to have with my dad, and that we'll be able to talk about forever.
Don't get better than that.
God bless and let's kill some damn birds.
Yeah, it's going. Come on. Put me on the outdoor channel.
Hey, Bill Gates is calling right now. He wants to start something up.
The second we got here for the Ball and Buck quail shoot, we were just immediately met with hospitality. We got up to our rooms and we're hooked up with some amazing swag. I'm wearing one of the shirts right now. I'm wearing the hat. And the past 2 days of going out and shooting these birds, I wouldn't want to be in anything else.
As Ball and Buck, tradition and heritage is very important to us, and it's something we want to continue to explore and continue to pursue. These are not just clothes that you pick up and wear one time. These clothes and gear are meant to last a lifetime. They're meant to be handed down to your children, to your niece and nephew. It's something that's meant to last forever. And we pride ourselves on making clothes and gear that will stand up over time.